My Sami name is Kartuninka Brita Elin. Kartuninka, that's my grandmother. Brita is my mother, and then my given name is Elin. And I think of a lot of ancient cultures have that same way of giving people names. It's like you're not only giving them a name, you're also explaining who they are and where they come from in a bigger degree than the modern names are today. My Norwegian modern name is Elin Kåven. And the reason why my name is from my mother and my grandmother is because my grandmother was the most known person in Karasjoka, my hometown. She lived at Gardin, which everybody knows where is. So she was, I guess, more famous than my father's side, and more famous than my father, even though my father was also very well known in Karasjoka. Gardin is a mountain house, an official place in the mountains. Like it's actually that direction on those mountains over there, or tundra. And she lived there for over 50 years. And the Sami name of that is Gardin, and the Norwegian name is Ravnastua. And Ravna was the first woman who run that as a mountain house for, people can come there walking or skiing, or nowadays they come with four-wheel drivers or walking or skiing also, but scooters, snowmobiles. So it doesn't matter if you're using your father's side or your mother's side in your Sami name. What's important is that people understand who you are. So that's why it makes sense to use the name that most people know. So there are also Sami people who have like a few different Sami names depending on who they're meeting and who they know. If they know the father or the mother best, then in that area where they're coming, they will use that name according to that. Everybody had to get a Norwegian name, so the Sami names weren't, good enough. So they were not able to use the Sami names for their registers and all of that. So everybody had to change their name to a Norwegian name in this country, and to Swedish name in Sweden, and Finnish name in Finland, and so on. I'm just out here. I'm gonna just checking the temperature of the water. It's pretty cold.